Alright, this is my third try capturing this video. The Wondershare film Mora is not working to my favor, so I'll give this one last shot. With this icp9, we went over a couple um, things such as neural networks, backpropagation, activation functions, linear regression, cost and loss functions, and so on. And within our actual project, we implemented a few of these. Most of this you'll be able to reference in my README file. I shared um, some screenshots and my code to show what all my results were. But let me just run this once real quick. I'm using two hidden layers with a sigmoid function here. Actually, and I'm not scaling these either. So as part of this, we were asked to show a plot just one image from our test data. And this image, the first one, is a 5, is what it should be recognized as, and hopefully our neural network predicts it as such. So I'll exit out of that, and the code will continue here. So once again, this is without scaling the images. And you can see here we have a test accuracy of about 97.8% and a validation accuracy of 96.47%. And the plot is shown here. Now if I exit out of this and I do include the scaling, we'll run this once more. Here's the same image from before. So as you can see, we're already getting slightly better accuracy with both our test and validation sets. You can see the training improves more quickly as compared to not scaling the images, as does the validation, and the training, the test accuracy ends up at about 98%, and the validation accuracy ends up about 96.68. In some other runs, I ended up closer to about 97.5. Once again, you can check the README to see the various outputs. We were also asked to add some hidden layers here and change the activation functions. For time's sake, I won't go into that because it can take some time to run this. But I did include some outputs where I had 5 hidden layers that were all RELU activation functions, and then I did a few with both tan and sigmoid, as you see here. So that concludes our ICP9, and I'll see you guys next week for ICP7, or sorry, ICP10.